So I'm going to do another bike check with my other park bike. I got it's just a We the People Justice frame. It's 2011 Justice. Pretty nice. I don't really ride this bike, but got the ODI grips, ODI bar ends to shoot up the. I got some Odyssey handlebars. The dog. I got a Fit stem. Just a standard stem. Impact headset. Can you get out of here? Okay, I guess we got someone else helping with bike check. Just a FSA impact headset, Fit forks. Redline Freaky X tire in the front. Isn't good at all. I got a McNeil front rim. It's sealed bearings. I got some Mission cranks. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. I got just a stock Fit sprocket, heavy duty KNC chain. Got a Fit logo seat. Got a stolen revolver rear rim, double wall. Oh yeah, the front's double wall too. Unsealed hub, rear hub, which sucks, but they work. I got Kenda contact tire in the rear. Go to the other side. I got I just have a We the People bottom bracket, and yeah, driver's not too loud on this one, but it's a nice bike. It's light, strong, it's reliable, weighs about 23.4, and yeah, here's my bike check on my other bike, and thanks for watching.